Whether on the road, rail, or water, fuel cells are the key to sustainable mobility. Sealing fuel cells is still complex, cost-intensive, and time-consuming. Disadvantages that are now a thing of the past. DATRON and DELO offer an innovative system solution that combines maximum precision, efficiency, and speed. The perfect combination of innovative adhesive, fast curing, and state-of-the-art dispensing technology creates a completely new production process. The DATRON EVO 600 optimizes cycle times and revolutionizes the production of fuel cells. In order to ensure a consistent sealing on the usually uneven bipolar plates, the surface height is tracked by a high-precision path-measuring field, which is recorded before dispensing with an optical confocal sensor. The subsequent dispensing takes place at up to 50 meters per minute, with a constant dispensing bead cross-section, even in start and stop areas. This results in hundreds of cells in consistent top quality, quickly manufactured and reliably combined into stacks. The liquid seal application offers maximum design freedom and is perfectly matched to the automated process. The integrated quality control ensures additional safety. A confocal sensor measures the seal height directly after dispensing. Furthermore, the fluorescent adhesive enables visual inspection of the application accuracy, allowing errors to be detected at an early stage and ensuring a reliable, high-quality process. The adhesive cures within a few seconds thanks to state-of-the-art UV curing technology. Subsequent pressing ensures the required sealing effect. The whole process is flexibly scalable, from prototype to large-scale production. This is how fuel cells are produced with the highest precision, short cycle times, and high efficiency, thanks to the strong partnership between DATRON and DELO, shaping the future of sustainable mobility together.